Anemia, also known as erythrocytopenia, is a blood disorder in which the blood has a reduced ability to carry oxygen due to a lower than normal number of red blood cells, or a reduction in the amount of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein found in red cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to all other organs in the body. There are many forms of anemia. Each has its own cause. Anemia can be short-term or long-term. It can range from mild to severe. Anemia can be a warning sign of serious illness. Positives. Anemia occurs when the blood doesn't have enough hemoglobin or red blood cells. This can happen when the body doesn't make enough hemoglobin or red blood cells. Bleeding causes loss of red blood cells and hemoglobin faster than they can be replaced. The body destroys red blood cells and the hemoglobin that's in them. Red blood cells function. Red blood cells have an iron-rich protein that gives blood its red color, called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin lets red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to all parts of the body, and it lets red blood cells carry carbon dioxide from other parts of the body to the lungs to be breathed out. Spongy matter inside many of the large bones, called bone marrow, makes red blood cells and hemoglobin. Types: aplastic anemia, iron deficiency anemia, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, vitamin deficiency anemia. Symptoms: anemia symptoms depend on the cause. Anemia can be so mild that it causes no symptoms at first, but symptoms usually get worse as the anemia gets worse. If another disease causes the anemia, the disease can mask the anemia symptoms. Then, a test for another condition might find the anemia. Certain types of anemia have symptoms that point to the cause. Possible symptoms of anemia include tiredness, weakness, shortness of breath, pale or yellowish skin, which might be more obvious on white skin than on black or brown skin, irregular heartbeat, dizziness or lightheadedness, chest pain, cold hands and feet, headaches. Treatment: beetroot. Beets are loaded with a rich amount of iron, copper, magnesium, phosphorus, vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12, and C. The wealth of nutrients in this vegetable makes it great for stimulating red blood cell production in the body and improving hemoglobin levels in your blood. Moringa leaves. Moringa leaves are packed with a great amount of iron, magnesium, and vitamins A and C. In fact, one serving of these wonderful leaves offers you 28 mg more iron than what is present in spinach. With the continuous consumption of these leaves, your hemoglobin levels and red blood cell count will increase. Black sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are packed with iron, zinc, copper, selenium, vitamin B6, B7, and vitamin E. Regular addition of black sesame seed to your diet are proven to improve your levels of hemoglobin and promote the absorption of iron. Green smoothie. There is a nice dose of iron from the spinach, celery, green apples, and kale smoothie. It's important to fight anemia by getting extra iron, but our bodies also need extra vitamin C in order to actually absorb the iron. This smoothie has the perfect combination of both. Dates and raisins. Energize your morning with the goodness of dates and raisins. Add a handful of raisins and 3 to 4 dates in your breakfast plan. This will offer you essential nutrients such as iron, magnesium, copper, vitamin A, vitamin C, and charges you for the whole day. Herbal tea. Go for nettle tea, hibiscus tea, ginger lemon tea, mint tea, as these herbal teas are helpful in increasing the hemoglobin level. Copper vessels. Drinking water that's stored in a copper vessel is highly recommended. It not only increases your iron levels, but also restores the body's natural minerals. It's also well known for treating hair loss. All you need to do is store your water in copper containers and drink up. Points to ponder. A balanced diet is a possible solution to counter the problem of low hemoglobin where you include all your cereals, pulses, legumes, fruits and vegetables, and dry fruits in an adequate amount.